The concepts covered are: introduction. Can all changes always be reversed? Could there be other ways to bring a change? Around us everything is undergoing a process of change. Our hair and nails keep growing. Leaves die and new leaves take their place. While some changes in our environment are temporary and can change back to their original positions, other changes are relatively permanent. The changes around us can be classified into two broad categories. 1. Reversible changes are the changes that can be reversed by reversing the action or changing the conditions. Example: freezing of water, rolling of a chapati from dough, etc. 2. Irreversible changes are the changes that cannot be reversed even after bringing about changes in the conditions. Example: rusting of iron, cooking of vegetables, etc. Closing and opening of mimosa leaves represent a reversible change. Irreversible change. Substances and materials usually undergo two major types of changes. Physical change. These are the changes in which only physical property of a substance changes and no new substance is formed. Characteristics of physical changes. No new substances are formed. Products are identical to the reactants. These changes are reversible. Chemical change. These are the changes in which chemical properties of a substance change, and a new substance is formed. For example, cooking of food. Example: cooking of rice, burning of matchstick, etc. Characteristics of chemical changes. Properties of products are different from the properties of reactants. Most of the chemical changes are irreversible. These changes always result in energy changes. There are other ways to bring about changes in substances. Mixing two substances together, a small amount of curd is added to warm milk, which leads to conversion of that milk into curd. This is an irreversible change. When we add a salt to water, it becomes salty, but this is a reversible change. Expansion and contraction. In order to make tools like an axe, the ring of its iron blade is heated, which allows it to expand, i.e., become larger in size, and then is allowed to cool down, which makes it contract again, i.e., become smaller in size, leading to a tight fit of the handle. Applications of expansion and contraction. Expansion by heating can be used in several everyday activities. The jammed metal lid of a jam jar can be opened by heating. The jar is inverted and just the lid is dipped in hot water. After some time, the lid can be opened easily as the lid gets slightly expanded.